All right, we're going to start the tour in London. This is our mass lumber storage area that we have. Multiple species of lumber. And we have a lot more lumber over in this area. We go through roughly 1 truckload of popper every 2 weeks. And then the lumber will come over here to our multi-rip saw, which has 3 blades on it. 2 of them are movable, so there's no setup time on that machine at all. And then from there, after the material is cut, we bring it over to the molders, which is over here. We have 2 molders. This is where all the moldings are run for all locations. 6 heads on each machine. Now we'll go into the tool room. In here is where all the knives and tools and everything we have set up, all the molders. We make our own knives here. This is the knife grinding machine over here. And this computer up here is where we set up all the profiles and programs for the molders. And this is where we store all our knives. This is our second molder. Both of them are basically the same. And around here is where we keep all our finished goods, waiting to be loaded onto a truck. And then over in this area is our specials area. Right now, Craig is putting together some white oak beams. Big process. Here we have joiner, a couple different shapers, planers, two table saws over here, glue clamp over here for gluing up all our door parts and stuff. And then we have an arch shaper over here for running all the arches. And then this over here is our stock area. Basically, yeah, really.